Hi, I'm Robbie from SA Water RMO team, and I've been on the River Murray for as long as I can remember. As my father was a lock master before I became one. My role is now the coordinator of Lock 4, 5 and 6. We're here to introduce safety of a lock chamber and try and give everyone a step-by-step way of using the lock chamber safely so they can pass through the safest possible. Obviously, safety is a very important part of SA Water, and we want to make sure that our team, our visitors, and obviously river users use it correctly so that they get through safely and unharmed. Vessel will either ring us or signal us by 3 long blasts of the horn to signify they want to go through the lock chamber. We will then get the remote and actually turn on the control box, which will have a red flashing light. A vessel needs to potentially stay at least 150 metres away from the lock and weir so they're safe from actually going over. And then when they see the green light, they can actually enter the lock chamber. Once that happens, we will then give them instruction on what to do, hand them a rope, make sure they don't tie off, they wrap around the rail. And then once that happens, we will then lower or raise the water level depending on which direction they're coming from. Then we will let them know that they're going up or down. Then they'll just make sure their hands are clear of the rail as well so they don't actually have a chance of actually doing an injury. And then once the gates are open, we'll then take the ropes off of them and let them on their way.